Hi there. Today I'm going to talk about why the division symbol and the fraction symbol look so similar. Let's say you had 1 divided by 2. Those two little dots in the division symbol, they represent the places where you would put the numbers if that first number was going to be put on the top and that second number was going to be put on the bottom. So what this is saying is, what's 1 divided by 2? How many 2's are there in 1? Imagine this is what a 1 looked like, and this is what the 2 looked like. How many of these 2's will fit in this 1? And the answer, of course, is only a half of that 2 will fit in that 1. It's much easier to think about division when you're saying, okay, you got 10 divided by 5. How many 5's will fit into the 10? How many 5's in 10? And of course there's 2 5's in 10. So when you see it like this, you're not really thinking that's a fraction with a 10 on the top and a 5 on the bottom. But you could think that. That would still mean how many 5's are in 10. Because you can imagine cancelling this down and then realising that you got a 1 on the bottom there, and 1 leaves things alone. So the answer is 2. So you could think of it as cancelling it down, but really this is still just a division. This is still just 10 divided by 5. It's still just the question, how many 5's are in 10? And the answer is 2. And this bit here, the 2 over the 1, that's really asking how many 1's are in 2. What's 2 divided by 1? How many 1's are in 2? And the answer, of course, is 2. So the division symbol and the fraction symbol, they do the same thing, they have the same effect, and they both mean how many of something is in something else. Let's make some space. And we'll have a look at 1 divided by 3. 1 divided by 3. Now, I know that is also written like this, 1 divided by 3, 1/3. But I can actually think of it as, how many 3's are in 1? How many 3's go into 1? You're not going to get all of a 3 into 1. You're only going to get a bit of it. So the amount of 3 that you have in 1 would be 1/3. You could do this with decimal places. How many 3's are there in 1? Put some decimal places in. There are 0 3's in 1. Carry that 1. How many 3's are in 10? There's 3 and 1 left over. How many 3's are in 10? 3 and 1 left over. 3 and 1 left over. 3, and you get the idea, it goes on forever. And this, of course, is that is equal to 1/3. So whenever you see a fraction like 1 over 7, that means how much of a 7 is there in 1. And if you saw a fraction like 14 over 7, that's asking how many 7's are there in 14. And whenever you see a fraction, it's just like a division. And whenever you see a division, it's just like a fraction. Thanks for watching. Bye.